everybody! You alright? It's a bit miserable, isn't it? Plumbing weather. So a few of you said you'd like to see what I get up to when it's raining outside. So I thought, why not? So I'm in the workshop at the minute because the weather outside is frightful, but the workshop is so delightful because I've got no place to go. Service pumps, service pumps, service pumps. So my take on a Christmas song there. I sing it every time I'm going into the workshop. So join me on a probably somewhat boring adventure, getting my hands dirty and messing about with old engines. So, alright, see you in a bit. Right, so we'll go and see what Lee's doing on a rainy day. This is Mr. Abbott, aka Mad Abbott. It's recorded now, you can't swear.
You can.
Because there's children that watch it.
You'll have to edit it then, won't you?
What are you making, Lee?
Making a mess. Making a frame for your leak harvester.
Not my leak harvester.
Oh, it is.
Lee's making a belly plate to go under the tractor, which he'll attach to our leak harvester. We've got one on another tractor, but now that other tractor's going to be busy when we're planting, so we're making, well, Lee's making another one, aren't you? Don't tell him, but he's pretty good at things like this, aren't you?
It all comes together in the end, doesn't it?
It does. Me, like I said on my Facebook page, I'm servicing irrigation pumps. This is an old one, a really old one. So I'm just changing fuel filters, dropping the oil, changing the O-rings in the back, oil filters, antifreeze, and a few other bits and pieces. And I'm making, we have trouble. That's a flow sensor, and when people put the pipes on the back, they have a habit of throwing the pipes on and knocking this flow sensor and breaking it. So I'm making a bracket to fit on here, come up there, like that, hold these pipes on, so that stops getting broke. So I'll carry on with that. I'm gonna turn this light off. Right, so I've made a start. That's the start. Cut that out there for a bracket. Got this little bit of box section for the middle. Have these two bits there to strengthen it. Weld that together. Have a little piece, T-piece that comes off there, and an upright. That's my plan anyway, but I think a lot of pigeons will probably descend when I start welding. There's going to be some pigeons flying about in a minute. The biggest pigeons you've ever seen, the mutant pigeon.
Are you filming it?
Yeah. I don't know whether I should. It's a bit, I'm going to make an embarrassment of myself. Right. Right, that's project pigeon poo complete. And I'll give you a quick look. It will be a quick look. That's enough. There we go. What do you reckon I've done? Do you reckon I've done all right, Lee?
No.
Yep. No. 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 Well, that's what I expected, to be honest. Yes. So I'll get out of your way now. I'll take this back up. You'll be all right on your own.
Yes.
You sure? I'll leave the light on. I won't. There you are. That's what it's meant to do. You can't see my welding now. It's got a pipe on it. Right, so I've just got this pump in now. So I need to get the oil warmed up. The first thing I want to do is start it. So, starting. I don't know if you can see, but there's a little switch here. Pick that up. Pick that up. Push this red button. Hold it. Set the throttle. So that's the oil warmed up. So we'll do this. There's that. There's that gone. You'll see my little setup. Oh, perfect. So I'll happily leave that drain. What have I done with that plug? Where'd it go? Did you see? Where's it gone? Where are you? Where have you gone? Right, so I've got one oil filter off. Just have to go and get a tray. Let's get the second one. Got some workshop karaoke going on in the background. I think you should avoid X Factor. Right, let's get this filter strap on again. Tight. There it goes. It's not as tight. Get that by hand now. It's nearly impossible to do this without making a mess. I know I've not got gloves on, but it ruins them. Gone. The seal's gone with it. Nice. Into that. New filters, spin-on filters. Get the plastic cover off. For a bit of oil on the seal. Right. Watch this, I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. Hello! Oh, I've gone all dizzy. Oh dear. Right. Lee, I'm going to bleed the fuel system now. I'm going to bleed it. Let's just put the oil cap back on. So, plenty of oil in now. Back in there. Right, so this is an old Perkins 6-cylinder engine out of a combine. So, I need to crack this bolt off here. Top of the filters. And there's two little like bleed screws on here on the injector pump. Crack that one off. Crack that one off. Like so. And I want number 6 injector, which is the last one, which is this one. I'm going to crack that one off. And then wander around to the lift pump and wait till the diesel starts squirting everywhere. Here's the lift pump, and I just go like that, up and down till I start seeing diesel. Sometime later, right. Tighten these back up. He's turned on now. Hi, come say hello.
I'll get out your way.
Right. Pump a bit more. Oh, that's gone all limp now. So tighten that injector back up. So, moment of truth. Oil, fuel. Lee, it's a moment of truth. What's that? The battery's gone flat. Right, plan B. Come on. Come on. Beginning to think it's not the battery. Right. Time to get my thinking head on. Right, so it turns out it was a loose wire on the starter motor. So she's away! Yes! I've done loads and loads, and it would have to be the one that I was videoing. It's just typical. So I'll take this back now, pick another one up. Got some more to do. I'm going to wash my tractor. So I'll leave it there, and I'll see you when the sun shines. Yeah! Alright guys. Bye bye!